drove to Valencia. It's like 40 minutes out from where we live just to go to Marshall. So let's see what they have in here because I'm looking for a few things. So figure I'd take you guys along. I have all these perfumes, Abercrombie Fitch, Calvin Klein, like $20. This one's only $20 too. One's $20. I got face mask, $3.99. What's this? Bath minerals. This is a big $7.99. This is really cute. This water bottle from Jessica Simpson, $7.99. It's actual glass. That's really cute. Face and body cleansing system, $14.99. This is all Vanity Planet. $39.99. Facial steamer. How much is this? $19.99. Halloween section for pajamas. This girl loves Halloween. This is Boo, and they're really soft too. All the fall items. This cute pillow. $19.99. Oh, this is nice. $19.99 too. Snacks galore over here. Look at this, I got macaroons here. $3.99. And me and my husband love getting spices from Marshalls and like TJ Maxx, Ross. We got this garlic salt here and it's so good. This container for $4.99 with the pillow lid. We got the whole Halloween section. Look at these glasses. $3.99. Jack Skellington glitter, $5.99. I keep seeing these at like Target and the expensive stores. This one's a different color, but $16.99 for a decor piece. Look what I found. This cute mirror. It's almost like a dupe. $39.99. Just the measurements right there. Oh, we can hear you. You sure? Okay.
People get all messed up.
I'm gonna have to cut that out. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways. They got this nice 3-piece set right here. That Trey says is like a carpet. Could be a carpet for Christmas.
Carpet for Halloween.
Oh. Jesus Christ. A carpet for Halloween. This is $30. Alright. Oh my god. What does this say? Chilling at home. $16.99. This is cute. And these sweatpants right here for $14.99.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they got clearance. Oops. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh, I got some stuff for clearance for $5. What? Back? Okay, this is $4.50. And I've been wanting this color shirt, so I'm probably gonna get this. $8. Okay, so I didn't film an outro just yet because I wanted to show you guys what I got at Marshall's, and we ended up going to the mall because I wanted to go to Charlotte Russe. This Valencia mall here in California has a Charlotte Russe, and in my 2 videos ago that I posted, I was telling you guys about Charlotte Russe, how they have these great deals, especially when you go to the store. They had 50% off, and it was these bodysuits that, to me, they remind me of the Skims from Kim Kardashian. So I was wanting a white long sleeve bodysuit because I have a tan one, like a beige one. And so it is that kind of slinky material. It's very stretchy and soft. And what I love about it, it's double lined, so it's really not even like a see-through or anything like that. And this was $10. It was 50% off. Usually they have where you can do a code, like you text a code and you get like 10% off, but today they didn't have that. And then I ended up getting these cute leggings. This has a big old band right here. This was also 50% off, so it was $6. And this one is a small medium, so I absolutely love the color of it and the detailing on it. It looks a little bit different on camera. Oh, actually there's like the true to color right there. But yeah, I'm excited to wear these when it gets a little bit more chilly and stuff. So that's what I got at Charlotte Russe. And then most of the stuff is my baby's, my son's outfits that we picked out because we're trying to get like stuff for when it gets more cold here. And this is from Marshall's. We found this Nike jacket, this is in 3T, so we sized up in his clothes because he is growing so fast, you guys. But this was only $24.99. So a little hood. It has fleece in it so he can stay warm. And what I like about it, that it's the whole thing, the whole jacket inside is fleece. So that was a good deal. And then we got him this 2-piece outfit for the, was it DKNY? I don't know if you're supposed to say the actual, like, how it's written, but whatever. Yeah, this was $14.99. It comes with a hood. It has like the little wool stuff in it. Up here are the jogger pants. So these are super duper cute, and we got a 3T in that. The last outfit that we got him was this, the same brand. This was $12.99. It came with 2 shirts, and then it came with these sweatpants in camo. So that's definitely a good deal. And then I ended up, oh, actually we got him shorts. We found some shorts. These are super duper cute for $3.99. So these are really cute in camo. And then I found this top for 10 bucks. Hopefully I like it. It has that like the lettuce, I think that's what we call it, the lettuce detailing on the sleeves and then on the bottom of the shirt. What I really like about it, well, 1, the color of it, and then 2, It's like a mock kind of goes up, not a full turtleneck, but just like a mock kind of one. I think that's how you say it, but it's super duper cute. I need to try it on to make sure I actually like the sleeves and the bottom part. But I think once it gets more chilly, you throw like a jacket and stuff and kind of just dress it up and everything, I think it will look really cute. So yeah, you guys seen the video. I didn't really get anything else because some of the stuff just wasn't what I was looking for. I'm looking for more like throw pillows and everything. And then I really did like that mirror that they had. It was only 40 bucks and stuff. So that's I'll link a that's pretty much a dupe for this one mirror. I'll try to link the one that's more expensive and then that one. Well, I won't be able to link that one, but if you go to Marshall's and you're interested and you see it, you know, it's a good buy. I didn't show really makeup because I feel like if you guys do like to watch these types of videos when you go to like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, all those stores, I feel like all their makeup is the same. Like they have the same stuff. To me, I just keep seeing the same stuff, so I kind of get bored of it. So I just didn't really go through that aisle and like wanted to show you guys that stuff because it's really the same stuff. So yeah, if you enjoyed these types of like this type of video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you did like this video, or if you want to see some other types of videos from me, like makeup or just other hauls and stuff. Let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, and if you are yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. That way you can kind of keep up with me and with these videos that I'm doing. I am doing a 1K giveaway, so I'm almost there. I have a few makeup goodies for you guys for the lucky winner. So just stay tuned for that. I'm super excited for that. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.